Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about the only skincare ingredients that truly work for wrinkles, the ones backed by actual dermatology research. Not the $200 designer creams or miracle serums, just the science. The truth about anti-aging products. Most products rely on marketing, fragrance, and packaging. Wrinkles come from collagen loss, sun damage, oxidative stress, and slower cell turnover. Only certain ingredients actually help. Retinoids. What they do: increase collagen, speed cell turnover, reduce fine lines, improve texture. Over-the-counter: retinol, retinaldehyde. Adapalene 0.1%. Prescription: tretinoin. Adapalene 0.3%. Tazarotene. This is the gold standard for anti-aging. Vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid. What it does: brightens skin, supports collagen, protects from UV damage. Over-the-counter only. L-ascorbic acid 10 to 20%. Azelaic acid. Underrated and very effective for pigmentation, redness, texture, and early fine lines. Over-the-counter: 10% azelaic acid. Prescription: 15% Finacea, 20% Azalex. Great for brightening and sensitive skin routines. Peptides. Support hydration, firmness, and skin barrier. All versions are over-the-counter. Hyaluronic acid. Plumps skin and reduces the appearance of fine lines. All versions OTC. Sunscreen. Prevents 80% of visible aging. SPF 30+ daily. All sunscreens are OTC. Recommended routine: AM. Cleanser, vitamin C, moisturizer, and sunscreen. PM. Cleanser, retinoid, moisturizer. Keep your routine simple and science-based. Like, subscribe, and comment which specific products you want me to review, or if they are worth it. Send this to someone who spends way too much on skincare.